luxurious 2006 Lincoln Town Car will make you feel that you are riding on a cloud. Locally owned. Fully loaded with beautiful light camel leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seats, with green dash, and what a gorgeous color. Almost new tires. The paint has a showroom shine. The mileage is consistent with a car of this age. 100% auto check guaranteed. Very clean interior. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. The best of the luxury cars. View all our inventory. Automatic transmission www.bobutterford.com or www.bobutterkia.com. Call or email Terry Irby, Internet Relations Manager today. Follow us on Facebook,